In this video we are going to look at a fairly straightforward capacitors question. So pause the video now and try all parts of this question. So part A, find the maximum charge a capacitor of this type can hold. So we should know that the relationship between charge and capacitance is given by charge is capacitance times potential difference. And we then need to take into account the tolerance. So what the tolerance means is the capacitance is 10,000 microfarads plus or minus 20%. And it's asking for the maximum charge, so we're obviously going to pick the upper value. So we're going to write down the max capacitance, and it's going to be 10,000 times 10 to the minus 6 farads, because micro means 10 to the minus 6, times by 20% or 120%, so 1.20. So that will find our maximum value of capacitance. Which is 0.012 farads, and then our charge is going to be 0.012 times by our potential difference, which is 16 volts, which is 0.192 coulombs. The maximum energy it can store. So there are three formulas for energy, any of which you can use. So we could use half CV squared, half QV, and half Q squared over C. Now, the only reason we would choose one rather than the other is usually because of the information we have available, but actually we have all the information available here. I'm going to use this first one, half CV squared, purely because, no I'm not, sorry. Actually, no, I am. It really doesn't matter. I was going to say it might be quicker to use one because we need to work out the maximum energy. And so I obviously need to use this value, and I don't want to calculate it again, but I've already got it. So half times 0.012 times by 16 squared. Type that in our calculator. Gives us 1.536 joules. And we've been given everything to 2 sig fig, so I'll round this to 1.5 joules, and I'll also round this one here to 0.19 coulombs.